Hey guys, welcome to my latest project in Vine Street here in Niagara Falls. I'm super excited to show you what we've done, and let's go have a look. I'm Jeeva Braich, real estate agent here in Niagara Falls, and here's a project that I worked on personally. So here in the kitchen, we had a wall coming all the way to the front here that would have covered this island. So it's a brand new custom kitchen, new appliances, new countertops, new flooring throughout. This house, no expense was spared. We have brand new plumbing all the way to the city line. We have brand new electrical, new drywall, new flooring, new paint. Everything's new in this house. It's absolutely turnkey. It's a 2-unit building with a brand new garage and a dormer extension and a main level extension as well. So here in the living room, there was a wall here going into the dining room. This originally was a wartime home and this was a bedroom, so we removed that with full permits, obviously. Here we have our accent feature wall with our TV and a built-in electric fireplace, which really makes it seem cozy and presentable. So this was the original wartime home main floor bedroom, which we took out that wall there, and this used to be a window into the back of the house. We removed the window, we extended the house. Here's a door. When you walk in here, we have a closet to your left, and here's our master bedroom. It's all 10-foot ceilings, and you have 3 large 4x4 windows. We have a nice chandelier, pot lights, and in here we have a 3-piece bathroom with a shower, toilet, vanity. So this home had still has a high-pitched roof, and in here you can see the ceiling cutting in a 45-degree angle. This is a single closet, but if you come over here, this used to be a closet as well, but we ended up taking the roof out and we built a 4-piece bath. So this is all brand new, never existed. We have a bathtub here, toilet, and vanity. And this is the other bedroom, same size with a single closet. So this is our legal basement suite. Here we have almost just over 600 square feet. We have our main living area. We have a nice kitchen that we did. You can see the 2 enlarged windows, all stainless steel appliances. This is typically a larger kitchen than we normally put in basement suites for something this size. Over here we have a brand new 4-piece bathroom, and in here is our 1-bedroom. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. If you ever have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me or the team. Thanks.